Today we are harvesting some of my cauliflower leaves. My cauliflower went to bolt because of all the heat that we've had, so I've just been harvesting the leaves. What I'm doing now is I'm washing them, and then I'm going to chop them up into some smaller pieces. Not the stems. I don't want to do the stems. Those can be put in a bag for, like, if you're going to do vegetable broth, you know, like next year or something, because I've already done all mine this year. So so we'll cut them up, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them in my trays. I've already done this before, so I'm going to put them in my dehydrator trays, and then I will put them over here in my dehydrator for about, I think it says about 8 hours, but I do these for 10 because it did take a little bit longer for these. And then whenever you are done dehydrating them, I pull them out and crumble them up and get all the stems out, and then I put them in my Ninja, and then after the Ninja it turns into this. So this is what I'm going to put in, like whenever I make soups. You know, you can put it in just different stuff that you cook. Mine's mainly going to go in soups, but that's kind of what you get out of, you know, if you don't have any other way to, you know, you want to harvest your cauliflower even though it went to bolt. This is what I've been doing with mine, so it's been pretty good so far. I'll only get about half of this from these, but I still have plenty more cauliflower leaves. If anybody ever wants to, you know, harvest their own cauliflower leaves and save them, that's a good way to do it.